Alright, traders. So today I'm going to be trying to trade with actually $1.79 to just show you guys that trading is actually possible even if you have a very small account. So we are on the 1 minute time frame here.
Why the strategy doesn't work elsewhere. So today we're trading it on the volatility to just show you guys that it works everywhere. And those of you guys who may be wondering, this right here is a live account. Of course, you cannot even forge a demo account of that. Look at my history. Last week, nothing. Last month, nothing. Last 3 months, nothing. I've not been trading on this.
Uh, what you're going to notice off the bat is we have this nice form of demand zone being created. So we already have the break. So yeah, we're going to take the buys, then I will try to explain to you guys the setup more effectively. Four positions so far. So let me just draw for you guys a trend line here also on the phone, so you guys can see this right here is a trend line, and let me remove that auto rotation. So that right there is the trend line that we have drawn. So this is the 1 minute time frame. It's a structure formed on the 1 minute time frame. So where are we going to set our level of TP? So we can see that right here on the charts there was this demand zone. So price has come from that demand zone. So when you draw an arrow to the upper part, just copy that arrow, guys. Let me first put it back. When you draw an arrow from here to that upper part, you just copy that arrow. Um, now I've forgotten how to copy. So when you copy the arrow at the top part, it's normally where your TP1 is. So where do you put your TP2? TP2, you have to start from the beginning of the move, guys. You start from the beginning of the move. Look at all these moves, guys. Look at all these moves. And take it down up to here. That's where you have to target your TP2. So for us, we entered about here, about this candle. We're going to be targeting our stop losses to be around there. So for this, I'm going to go 1 to 2. So yeah, we're going to be managing because this right here is a small account, and yeah, oh, you see, we're already in profits, though the profits is really, really, really small considering the size of the account. But then when you look at the fact that the market still has a very long way to go, we can still be able to scale up like on those retracements. Let me just show you guys here what I'm trying to say. Look at this move. Look at all this move. This all move, it has to be done. It has to be redone. So you see there. So here up to that point, that's where you know where to put your TP level. Guys, this thing works like charm. It's very good for building your small accounts. Just use those nice lower time frames, and you're going to be able to build your small account. So we're going to just be watching that trade run. Unfortunately, we didn't overscale in, but considering the fact that the trade is still having a very very nice potential towards our first TP level. Let me see. Our TP level 1 is about almost $3 per position. So it's really, 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 really insane, crazy, yes. So right now, this retracements, we're just going to be scaling in. I'm going to be adding more positions. We are already 0. Actually 88 something cents. We're already at 1 USD. So we're going to be leaving this trade to run actually for a long time. These are the trades I've been taking on my Prop Farm account. So this is to me a very A plus setup.
I've been taking this on my Pro Farm account and it has been yielding very, very good results, guys. So, yeah, we're going to leave this trade to run here and I'll be updating you guys on the progress of the trade. Maybe as time goes by, But yeah, it's really amazing. Maybe if you guys want to know more about the strategy and want to see how I trade my supply and demand on the smaller time frames or how I pass pro farm challenges, please let me know in the comment section so I make a video for that. Yeah, guys. So let's see. We already like almost times two the account. Yeah, guys, this is Volatility 75. People have been saying that, man, you only trade forex. Well, the strategy doesn't work elsewhere. So today we're trading it on the Volatility to just show you guys that it works everywhere. And those of you guys who may be wondering, this right here is a live account. Of course, you cannot even forge a demo account of that. Look at my history. Last week, nothing. Last month, nothing. Last 3 months, nothing. I've not been trading on this account like for a very long time. I even don't remember the last time I traded volatility. But today I just logged in and I found voila, I have some money in my account. So I was like, let me just try to show you guys that it's normal and not luck. When you see someone making money out of the market like this. So we already have how many positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have about 6 positions. And when it happens to hit our final level of TP, that would be some good money.